Bullish 1INCH, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.63 and $5.72 by 2030. Market examiners accept 1INCH could reach $2.63 by 2025. Bearish 1INCH market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.467142. 1INCH, presentation. DEXs are decentralized trades. They are the stages or trades where digital currency exchanging happens without the inclusion of an outsider. At the end of the day, no monetary foundation or organization is engaged with the activity of a decentralized trade. Members exchange on decentralized stages without separation and must just interface their computerized wallets to effectively exchange. DEXs don't give anybody admittance to their clients' resources or individual data, so individuals exchange with their assets in their grasp as it were. Many trades have set costs for digital currencies that shift from one trade to another, and dealers attempt to purchase the coins at the least value conceivable to boost benefits. This digital currency guide will show you all that there is to be familiar with the 1INCH organization and its highlights. In any case, we will keep on zeroing in on the 1INCH organization cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is the 1INCH organization? This organization has made exchanging more helpful. It examines all DEXs and tracks down the one with the most reduced cost to propose to its clients for them to get the best cost. The essential objective of this 1INCH organization is to give better value choices to its clients while keeping up with resource liquidity and security. 1INCH organization biological system. This 1INCH organization is comprised of 3 conventions that guarantee its smooth activity and offer types of assistance to its members. 1INCH collection convention. This convention's motivation is to decide the best way for its clients. There are various liquidity trades in the computerized market that help different digital currencies on their foundation, each with its own arrangement of costs. Some deal a greater cost for a coin, while others offer a similar coin at a lower cost. This convention breaks down the costs on these trades and prescribes to its clients the trade with the most reduced cost in contrast with different stages. Clients can exchange for a minimal price thus. 1INCH liquidity convention. The convention handles all undertakings connected with assurance and security. This convention shields members from different dangers that they might experience while exchanging. It likewise gives impetuses to its clients. 1INCH cut-off request convention. This convention is the most as of late refreshed of the 3. Its administrations limit clients structure trade amazing open doors and decentralized finance. Different highlights of this convention incorporate unique estimating and restrictive orders. This convention likewise upholds custom executions, for example, stop misfortune and following stop orders. 1INCH wallet. This wallet empowers exchanging on an assortment of trade stages. Clients store their resources in the computerized wallet and associate it to the 1INCH organization to start exchanging without giving over control of their resources for anybody. This 1INCH wallet is an easy-to-use portable stage that safeguards the resources of the clients. It additionally works on the members' exchange and marking abilities. Essentials of 1INCH organization. 1INCH. When was it presented? 1INCH organization was established in the year 2019. Supervisory crew, Sergey Kunz and Anton Bunkov established 1INCH organization. The ETH Global, New York Hackathon, made these 2 stages, and Artem Vorobev is the lead DApp draftsman, with Mikhail Melnik as the lead blockchain designer and modeler. Nikita Avkik is accountable for business improvement. 1INCH coin outline. The 1INCH organization's ticker image is 1INCH. It gives capacity to the 1INCH organization and empowers clients to take in interest. These tokens offer their clients motivating forces as well as liquidity mining programs, which has expanded their interest. Furthermore, the coin permits clients to exchange coins at the most ideal costs that anyone could hope to find. Moreover, holders of 1INCH coins reserve the option to decide on future coin-related proposition. The 1INCH organization token is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain and requires 14 organization affirmations before an exchange can be finished. The most extreme withdrawal sum for 1 INCH is 31,251 INCH, with a base cost of 3.331 INCH coins. 1 INCH is presently worth $0.583928 $1 INCH has moved 0.65% as of now with an exchanging volume of $25,904,857. 1 INCH is presently positioned 98 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $341,301,737. 1 INCH, Value Forecast 2022. 1 INCH, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. 1 INCH. The 1 INCH cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.875892. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.817499 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. 1 INCH is supposed to have a base worth of $0.700713. 1 INCH, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, 1 INCH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of 1 INCH will before long outperform $1.46. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the 1 INCH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, 1 INCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.17 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.28. 1 INCH, Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.04 and 1 INCH may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. 1 INCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.87 and a low of $1.75 in 2024. 1 INCH, Value Expectation 2025. If 1 INCH effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the 1 INCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years.